How to delete archive stories on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application and it will lead you here to your homepage. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see 6 different options there. You will see home, video, Facebook, marketplace, notifications, and menu. So click on the 3 dash lines there, the menu, and scroll all the way down up until you see settings and privacy here. Click on that and go to settings. Now here on settings, the next thing that you want to do is to scroll a little bit up until you see your activity section here. Now tap on activity log. The next thing that you want to do is to tap on your activity across Facebook. Now here you will see various of options. You'll see posts, activities you're tagged in, so on and so forth. So what I want you to do is to scroll up until you see the section that says stories here. So basically, if you want to manage your stories, especially if you want to delete your archived stories on Facebook, then what you're gonna do is tap on stories, and here you will see your stories, your activity, and your archive stories. Click on that, and here you will see all your archive stories. So for me, I haven't actually posted stories here in this account yet, but if you have and you have saved it to your archive, or you have turned on your save to archive stories on Facebook, then every stories are saved here. Now, let's say there are lists already there. So what you're gonna do is you will see 3 dots on that. Let's say you want to delete one specific story, so you will see 3 dots there on the right side. Click on that dot and then just tap on remove on the bottom part here. Now, the next thing that you want to do is, let's say you want to delete all your archive stories. So let's say you have a lot of stories. So here on the upper left here in this section, you will see all there. Tap on that up until all the stories has check on the left side. So it will actually have a blue tick mark there on the left side, and basically just tap on delete or remove here on the bottom part, and basically that's how you delete your archive stories on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.